is really going on? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're back on XLM. Price action still in this phase of sideways here. Prices interacting with support and resistance as we make our way upward still. I do believe we are in an uptrend. I'm looking out for further interaction with 40 cents as resistance overhead. We have a interaction with it on the 16th of October. That was my immediate short-term target for XLM after support found near 25 cents on the 29th of September here. I do believe price action was making its way from my support to my resistance. After having that rejection off of resistance, we've traded sideways here, had some interactions with support. We're looking for continued buy pressure off of this range here between 34 cents and 32 cents. This is going to be a strong zone of buy pressure present here for us if we were to make our way downward. As we can see, the buy pressure is very much in place still. In my opinion, we're still making our way to and through this 40 cent level. We will just have to wait for the technical confirmations of it as support. We have key levels to consider all the way up to 65 cents per XLM. Once we are free from that key level, we are set to make some, very euphoric gains. We're watching out for 51 cents as we make our way upward here. All that will come into play after we've solidified 40 cents as support. So at the moment, price action a little too close to resistance. I would be accumulating between 34 and 32 cents at the moment. The most bullish area of support is waiting for us, as I mentioned, all the way down at 26 cents per XLM. At the moment, we are looking out for a second Robo advisor becoming bearish. I mean, at the moment, we have on the 27th of October, one of our chosen 3 Robo advisors printing a bearish suggestion. However, we need 2 to confirm any sort of, bearish sideways or downside for prices moving forward. I do believe we are still in an uptrend and we are making our way, upward here. We're waiting for perhaps this, buy to return. We're waiting for perhaps further interactions of support. Right now, we're a little too close to resistance to be accumulating comfortably. Wait for a break of 40 cents and confirmation of it as support to suggest it as a bullish area of accumulation. I mean, we've already seen, some tremendous gains on, XLM after 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bullish on price action on the 22nd of July. After accumulation, we experienced up to 64% in gains, and if you didn't sell above at or around that swing high, you were still able to capitalize on 27% ROI if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And as you can see, after those sell signals came into play, we did experience up to 23% in downside over the following just about a month as we made our way towards support. Bounced off support, interacted with resistance. Currently in this phase of sideways and accumulation, supported by buy signals, does suggest continued moves upward here. As I mentioned, watch out for support and resistance. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. What are you doing with XLM at current levels? Now, BAKE against USDT, BAKE coin. Price action making its way above support here. We do have confirmation of perhaps $2.02 as a bullish area of accumulation, with daily candles opening and closing above that key level, further solidifying it as support. Price is supported by EngineeringRobo's buy signals ever since the 14th of October. We have the buy 4 and moon signal coming into play. A few days later, we have the golden cross signal. All 3 of our chosen Robo advisors are bullish on price action. So I do believe once we've perhaps had our final interactions with support, $2.02 as the most bullish area of accumulation. Once support has been confirmed, we are making our way to my immediate short-term target for this coin, which is going to be $3.20. I do believe that is going to be my immediate short-term resistance target for prices moving forward. Once we've broken it, confirmed it as support, we can assess some upper levels of resistance. However, I'm looking for continued support at $2.02 before we make our way up to $3.20. I'm watching out for this key level here, $2.37. That is going to be a potential key level that's going to give us a hard time as we make our way upward here. But as I keep mentioning, my target for this coin is going to be $3.20. So price is supported by buy signals. We're interacting with technical support. I do believe this is a very bullish area to be accumulating this coin. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. What are you doing with BAKE at current levels? Now, PHA against USDT, price action interacting with these key levels supported by buy signals. At the moment, we're looking for continued support off of key level here, 75 cents. This is going to be the key level we were looking for further confirmation of as support. Daily candles opening and closing above that key level would be further bullish confirmation of it. Continued buy pressure off of that level would be a bullish suggestion of it as support. Failure to hold this level will bring us down to a potential key area here waiting for us all the way down at 62 72 cents. In my opinion, that is going to be the next area of support if we fail to hold this 75-cent level. We're watching out for interactions with 90 cents. There appears to be sell pressure overhead waiting for us at that level. Watching out for 90 cents as we make our way up to, I believe, $1.24 does seem to be my target once we have confirmed support and broken through this overhead resistance. I do believe we are in an uptrend. We're likely to see some gains here once we have, further confirmations of support. We're looking at a buy for coming into play on the 9th of October. The bull signal comes into play just a couple days later through this phase of sideways above support. So this does suggest a bullish area of accumulation present here for us. We have the bear signal coming in on the 27th. Was rather short-lived because as of just a few days later, we have the moon signal and bull returning into play. Currently, all three of our chosen Robo advisors are bullish on continued upside, and with prices near a technical area of support, I do believe we are near a very bullish area of accumulation. So once support has been confirmed, we are making our way up to eventually $1.24. Looking out for 90 cents along the way, and if we fail to hold this 75-cent level, I'm watching out for interactions with 62 cents. Those are going to be the key levels here in this range that I believe are going to have interaction with. I personally am bullish on price action. Let me know down below where you think prices will go. Now, ANT against USDT, ANT coin price action interacting with these key levels through this phase of sideways here. We have consolidation and accumulation for the past kind of couple months, it would appear. However, we are looking at some bullish buy signals coming into play. Two of our chosen three Robo advisors are bullish on price action, suggesting a bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside. Looking for further interactions with technical key level of support here. $4.80 is going to be the key level of support that I would like further confirmation of. We have buy pressure coming off of it on the 6th of November here. Daily candles opening and closing above it on the 7th. I do believe this would be a bullish area of accumulation based off of those kind of confirmations. So we're looking for continued support at $4.78. The most bullish area of support is waiting for us all the way down at $3.84. That is going to be the key level. We're making our way downward here if we were to fail to hold this support just below. Now we're making our way up to resistance present at $6.13. This is going to be just a key level that I would like to see a break of and confirmation of as support. Once we've confirmed it as support, we can see some continued upside toward resistance overhead. My immediate short-term target is going to be that $6.14 level. As I mentioned, we're looking at two of our chosen three Robo advisors bullish on price action. When we look at the previous buy signals coming into play on the 27th of July, after accumulation, we appeared to have experienced up to 106% in upside easily, more than doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals on ANT. And if you weren't able to sell above at or around that swing high, you still were able to capitalize on 16% ROI if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions that came into play. And as you can see, when those sell signals arrived, we did experience what appears to be up to 17% in downside and, a good, almost 2 months of sideways here before becoming bullish again. And so as we can see, some Robo advisors have come back into play, suggesting a bullish area of accumulation as we interact with technical support. I do believe we can be accumulating near current levels. Look out for further interactions with $4.80. Watch out for resistance overhead at $6.14. I do believe price action will eventually make its way all the way back up to $9. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. What are you doing with this coin at current levels? Now, we're looking at Ethereum price action making its way upward. Currently, Ethereum worth more than it ever has been worth before. I do believe we are near an all-time high. Price action making its way upward here. We're very bullish on continued upside. It's very hard to be bearish on Ethereum at current levels. As we can see, the most bullish areas to be accumulating Ethereum have been my support lines here for these pullbacks. $4,374 per Ethereum was a very bullish area to be accumulating. $4,195 per Ethereum was a very bullish area to be accumulating. And we have the most bullish area of support at $3,930. So I hope you are accumulating at my support lines, because as we can see, we are making our way to and through these final levels of resistance, set to see some euphoric upside here, perhaps sooner than later, still making our way to $6,000 per Ethereum. Let me know down below where you think prices will go now. We're looking at Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently looking to print all-time highs. We see price action plowing to and through this final level of resistance here. Now I'm waiting for perhaps an interaction with $64,862 per Bitcoin as support. We may experience this pullback and interaction with it as support. We may not. Once we are free from previous all-time highs, we could experience some vertical upward as we make our way to and through the multi-thousand-dollar range. Anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin perhaps sooner than later. We also have this buy to looking to come back with today's daily candle that has not yet closed. If this daily candle closes and the buy to remains, we have now confirmed all three of our Robo advisors back to bullish, which does suggest some very euphoric upside. We have the sell to printing on the 27th of October when we had this very bullish interaction with my support line. $58,800 per Bitcoin seems to be recently the best place to be accumulating Bitcoin, as we have not seen an interaction into the 50K range for quite some days here. So price action seems to be seeing that buy pressure off of 60K currently. Just teetering under previous all-time highs. Watch out for a potential final buy opportunity around $64,800 per Bitcoin. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. There's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times in my opinion, and I do believe we are running out of the best times to be buying Bitcoin. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. Check out all the other social media down below. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Thank you for tuning in, and tune in for the next one.